Now we are going to see the second stanza of our Casuarina tree, that is part 2. The poetess goes on, tells us about the mornings in her childhood when she would wake up at the sight of the Casuarina tree. Now to the continuation. And far and near Gokilas hailed the day, and to their pastures went our sleepy cows, and in the shadow on the broad tank cast by that hoar tree, so beautiful and vast, the water lilies spring like snow enmeshed. And far and near Gokilas hailed the day. Gokilas means it's a type of bird like a cuckoo. Hail means come. Pastures means grazing land. Wind means way. Gradually, when the sun rises, the singing birds like Gokilas begin to greet the day with their beautiful songs. And the sleepy cows which are not shaken of their lethargy, they went on to the pastures. So when the sun rises, the singing birds like Gokilas, what is the singing bird mentioned here? Gokilas, begin to greet the day. Greet the day means begin to sing a song in the day. What is going for in a lethargical way? The cows, the sleepy cows are not shaken off from their sleepy. They are going in the lethargical way to pick their pastures. What do you mean by pastures? Means grazing land. They go to the grazing land. Now, and to the shadow on the broad tank cast by that hoar tree, so beautiful and vast, the water lilies spring like so enmeshed. The shadow of the tree appears to fall on the huge water tank. The poetess feasts her eyes on the beauty of their hoar tree. Hoar means white frost because of the winter season. And the water tank filled with white lilies, like a white carpet snow in the water tank. Because of the winter season, the tree, the tank, the lilies all covered with snow. The poet says that the singing birds like Gokila sing from far and near. They welcome the daybreak. The drowsy cows move towards their pastures. There is a wide tank close to the tree. The shadow of the Casuarina tree falls on the tank. The surface of the water in the tank is covered with snow lilies in full bloom. It looks like a carpet of the snow. See the hoar tree. What do you mean by hoar tree? Hoar tree means deposits white frost on trees. Water lilies means the flowers of lilies in the aquatic plant which grows in the water. Now we are going to the Q&A appreciation question. How does the poet begin her day? The poet begin her day watching from the casement. What is sitting like a statue? The grey baboon is sitting like a statue. Name the bird, singing bird. The poet mentioned here Gokila is the singing bird. How is the shadow cast by the tree? The shadow cast by the tree is vast and beautiful. Where are the lilies? The lilies are in the broad tank in the shadow of the tree. What is the lily compared to? The lily is compared to snow. Where is the water tank? The water tank is close to the tree. What falls on the water tank? The shadow of the Casuarina tree falls on the water tank. How is the surface of the water look like? The surface of the water is covered with water lilies. It looks like a carpet of snow. How do they look like? It looks like the carpet of snow.